अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई। आज हम बात करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट पे। गेट विल इन्वैलिडेट लास्ट टेकर प्रोटोकॉल टेकर spot trading and launch the 2284 with launch pool. 2025 717 11.09.55 UTC 69961 views. Get well invalidated list taker protocol taker from spot trading at 10.00 on July 18, 2025 UTC and launching the 28284 at launch pool. User can stake GT taker to earn 2.400.00 taker a drop for free with rewards distributed very hours. Taker protocol, Taker spot trading. Target start July 18, 2025 10.00 UTC. Deposit taker https://www.get.com. My account deposit taker. Target taker is USD market view. https://www.get.com. Target taker USD. Taker protocol, Taker launch pool, staking period July 18, 2025 at 10.00, July 28, 2025 at 10.00 UTC. Staking total staking rewards 2.400.00 Taker. Taker. Taker is the first and largest Bitcoin ecosystem innovative protocol. Designed to democratize Bitcoin gained for all futures. Bitcoin holder is service as the Bitcoin invalidity players. Lever guide multiply reward from work to earn increasing billions of users to hold and utilize Bitcoin and it is in derivatives. Calling the algorithm and explained to Bitcoin complete by 100x. Baker Electric DCG File Spartan extensive big brand holding play account supplement the LEOX7X Chime Late Morning Star Absolute Bit Date Metal One Book and more good Baker. Welcome to Taker. Taker is the first and largest Bitcoin ecosystem invalidated protocol decision to democratize Bitcoin guide for all future Bitcoin holders. Its service is the Bitcoin invalidative lawyer lever again multiplied report from work to increasing mining of user to idle and port holding and limited Bitcoin and it is revised solving wallets and exempling by Bitcoin complete by 100x. Cause futures. Taker provides a robust and innovative ecosystem with the following key features. Focused on the right Bitcoin holders decision is specifically to empower individual Bitcoin holder enable them to maximum their Bitcoin wallets. EVM completely by Taker China Futures EVM compil- compatible. Sporting sample is integrated with excellent DFs and tools. Thank you so much. Welcome to everyone. Comprehensive spot for Bitcoin derivatives. Spotters are Bitcoin derivative asset in lucrative Bitcoin locality staking derivative Bitcoin LSDS and locality resistant tokens LRDS. Anonymous play well drives and traversal from retail user to Kickstarter and Sentine. The economist flow well, creating a self-reinforcing or growth loop for the ecosystem. Getting start. Take a spot, multiply user roles, each with it is our stake of tools and domination. Select your roles below to get start. Network information taker is the negative token of taker sign with a total supply of 1 billion. Below is a quick our voice of taker sign is key prominence and information. Network name taker mind 10. RPC URL https RPC mindnet taker dot yxz. China ID 1125 Francis Simple Taker Explorer URL https explorer taker dot yxz. Technicals highlights Taker sign as course protocol of the tech ecosystem behavior advanced blockchain technical to increases high performance security and numerical key highlights of taker sign clarity. Angel, thank you so much joining my live stream. Nominator Proof of Locality NPOL Takers and Interrogations NPOL Limited Proof of Locality and Negative Inclusive Machine is monitored by Tick Blade on the founders of NPOS Invalid Proof of Stake. NPOL is a digital of invalidatives great participating from ecosystem user by incorporating locality encryption into the crisis process. Dual infamity machinism. Probabilities infallibility. Thousand to baby blind extremity of bitchain excellence. Protocol breakers are consistent protocol increases taker sign counting to progresses when well the concile chain is not yet invalidities. Probable probable infallibility. With grantable HGHOST based receivers increases driving traffic agreement once a black in finalized it is increasable aggressive and agreed open by all participating growing working in courses and reliability. the cause and propertical electricals. Electricals. Takers and imperatives verifiable sequence and political combining elections rule takers and increasing and that violators are selecting fair and is a way that reflects the stake distributed futures in enhancing working security and repository. EVM comparative tickets and future EVM comparative along family integration with existing Ethereum based FTX tool and smart contracts. This increases the developers can easily build and deploy application with the Taker ecosystem. Oh, Eagle Eye. Hello, thank you so much joining my live stream. Hello, brother. How are you? Hi, pro-feminists. Dickerson is decision develop high TPS with fast finality prohibit and probability as smart with and applicability experiences for all network participating. Reward distribution. The system will distribute tokens rewards to user spot accounts vary host based on the propagation of asset staking by each user. Get launchable FAQ. Eagle Eye, I am fine, bro. Get launchable FAQ. Question number one. What is a get launch pool? Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT is author taking tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry braces and high APR, it is the unlimited platform for efficiently capturing market corporations. Question number two: how can a participate is Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get accounts and negative to the Get Launch Pool page. Then, causes the project you want to participate is the Get Stake. You exit. Check the participate guide. Question number three. What coins can as taking is get launch pool? The tokens eligible from participate will be enucleated on the mining page of each project. Please visit the cross-betting page of Get Launch Pool to view more details. Question number four. How many tokens will be rewarded? Only staking reward evaluating splitters, one horse evaluating staking amount, total pool, staking amount, reward pool. The platform will take multiply snapshot of persons taking amount each hourly and stake to average stake amount is the valid staking amounts. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? The platform will stake multiply snapshot of persons taking amount early and token reward as it is distributed to eligible user. All earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. Question number 6. When will the staking acid be remitted? After the user admitted advance or the staking is complete, the staking asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If this optional in uncleash, the stake asset will be redeemed into a spot asset. If the amount of redeemed asset to the simple and does not meet the minimum claim accounts of simple and the asset will be automatically different to spot asset. If simple and does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens and that asset will also be automatically different to spot asset. Question number 7. Can I redeem by staking stake asset at any time? You The platform will take multiply Snapchat of personal staking amounts each hour and calculation of valid staking amounts. How every early repetition by result is the loss of equity rewards. Please mandatory stable staking amounts to earn mining rewards. Question number 8. Can I add arithmetical staking asset? You can increase your staking asset at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your practical mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking rewards. Question number 9. Can a participate is multiplayer project at the come time when there are a multiplayer large pool project kind on the and at the come time you can staking a different pool to receive now tokens mining rewards for multiplayer project. Each staking pool needs to be staked by practical. If you only staking asset is pool, you will not be able to operating rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B is critical to operating the cross-porting mining rewards of now tokens. Question number 10. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user from each project is different. Once the cap is reached or future staking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relative increment of the mining page for the reward hard cap limited from each project. Question number 10. Question number 11. Will staking asset is the get launch pool impacted by VIP level? No, I said staking is the get launch pool will be inequality is the asset holdings calculation of holder airdrop launch pool and VIP prohibit. Question number 12. What will happen to buy funds if the project is ending early? In case of early ending, your staking principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ending. Your last interest will be deposition on the only after the end time, and the interest distribution before the ending will not be appreciated. About annual percentage, I read APR. One well, the reward coin is the stake coin. APR total rewards realized is the last for total staking x 365 x 24 x 100%. So when the reward coins is not the staking coin, APR total reward placed is the last or excluding price of the reward coins of the last or total staking closing price of the staking coins of the last or x 365 x 24 x 100%. The APR is any time it and from inferences only the electrical and emergency and refund you finally receive shall behavioral APR data is update only. Thank you so much joining my live stream. How to participate? Log into your Get account and completing invalidity verification negative to launch for hold at letter 1.01 GT 1 letter 1 taker click stake. Thank you so much Discovery. How are you Discovery? Exclusive staking limited private from VIP user. VIP 5 above and above users enjoy exclusive staking limited when participating is launch pool with up to 500% staking limited bonus. VIP level GT pool maximum staking amount per user VIP 0, VIP 4, 2.00 GT, VIP 5, 3.00 GT plus 50%. VIP 6, 4.00 GT plus 100%. VIP 7, 5.200 GT plus 160%. VIP 8, 6.800 GT plus 240%. VIP 9, 9.00 GT plus 350%. VIP 10, VIP 16, 112.00 GT plus 500%. Project information. Prohibited by the Taker protocol. Taker team plays follow the Taker protocol. Taker website for more details. Indication Taker is the first and largest Bitcoin ecosystem innovative protocol decision to democratic Bitcoin guide of our protocol. Bitcoin holder it is service as the Bitcoin innovative layers in a level a kind multiply reward from work to encourages millions of users to hold. And unlimited Bitcoin and it is derivative escalating wallet and expand the Bitcoin completing by 100x. Baker in Ecclesiastic DCG recordify sporting as a massive big brand holding playground in supplement the LAOX7 Xiamin daylight morning star bit sale bit day AO medical big one black and more good baker. Token name taker protocol, token sample taker. Mix supply 1.00.00.00 token in type BEM20 token ID. Token distribution and unlock rules. Ecosystem and innovative 13% 0.36 3.67% unlocked at TGE with onliner investing 16 months. थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी गिफ्ट लगाने के लिए. Foundation receive 1 to 1% 50% unlocked at TGE. 8.33% will be unlocked and at each of 1 T plus 3 point T plus 6 point and T plus 9 month with liner visiting for 8 months. In visitor 15.6 month locked up with secretary visiting 18 month staking rewards 10% in invalidity in visit 16 month. Marketing 8.25% in locating at TGE with liner visiting for 8 months. Locality 2% 100% unlocated at TGE completing binary 100 10% 15% unlocked and TGE with lineary visiting 9th month. Website https://taker.xyz. White paper https://docs.taker.xyz. Angel, hello. GitLab's investment disciples. GitLab did not invest in Taker protocol. Taker notes. Get Launchpool is an invalidity staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens are only a drop of hot and now coins with low entry basis and high APR. It is the limited platform for electricity capturing market opportunity. थैंक यू सो मच ईगल आई। आप मुझे मतलब ऐसे ही मुझे सपोर्ट करते रहें तो मैं इंशाल्लाह बहुत आगे जाऊंगी। Please completing invalidity verification before participating is launchable to increases to security of your account and asset. Please adhere to the relative rules of the event when participate and collecting behavior of probability and increases of any discrepancy will result is in the discretion of the rewards. Where and discrepancies are raised between the translated version and the original English version. The English version shall behavior. Cat receiver are right of the final implementation. This event is not applicability with Apple A and C the user in the algorithm can dump and other receiver location and cannot access the receive inclination to participate in this event game of completing see the user agreement from future details and register locations. Rick warning. The project team does not gratulation the token price will not be lower than it is invented sale price. Please invest it with country and those invest it violating your infancy capacity. The crypto project is still is in it is still is taking features evaluating the operation and evaluating technical of the project and other relation regulatory inactive minding attributable of significant cat risk. Advanced technical and penalty can quality and regularity to and transparent and evaluative in the increasing risk of crypto asset investment. ओके ब्रदर, आप मेरी लाइफ में आए, मुझे इतना ही, मेरे लिए इतनी ही बहुत है, खुशी की बात है मेरे लिए। थैंक यू सो मच माय जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। The market volatility is high and the price of our token might future distribution due to technical requirement of marketing feature. User by not be able to withdraw while the protection token to increase issues of the project of GET. Get team July 70.2025 get why to trade over 3.500 cryptocurrency self-clarity and easily and get taker accounts now sync up and claim up to 1.10.00 in welcome rewards invalidity friend and earning 14% person commission taking candidate is visit Get's official website, download the Get app, follow us on X, Twitter to get more bonus, join our Telegram commission to discuss and trading topics. Available with our global commission for the latest high list transparency and security check our 100% proof of receipt. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Get alpha licit taker trade to share 600.00 taker airdrops. Get alpha licit taker protocol taker time limited airdrop bonus event live take trade to share airdrop pool coin taker full name taker protocol public chain BNB chain countries address OXC 19539 EB934445 TEC 8FL432624924D2E 6226546. Project information interrogation. Taker is the first and largest Bitcoin ecosystem invalidity protocol decision to democratic Bitcoin guide for all information. Bitcoin holder is received as the Bitcoin invalidity lawyer invalid can multiply reward from work to increase millions of users to airport order annuality Bitcoin, and it is service security, Yeklo, and explaining to Bitcoin completing by 100x Baker collection DCE Drucker file sporting XCVs, Big Brand holding flow crane formation, the LEOX 7X simultaneity morning star, Bitsalis, Bita, monthly Big Shine, and more good baker. Even periods July 18.2025, 18.11.00, July 2025, 2015.59 UTC. Take a alpha licit take a target to share 50.500.00, take a airdrop. Top 20 clarified by trading volume data information in progresses during the event. Data from the private by day will be updated after 3.00 UTC. Detail after the event calculated to finally quality equality data will be updated. Reward 1 top 20 2.00 win $100. Target taker on Get Alpha with 2500 USD total buy during the event tops 200 by total buy volume. Get 1.00 take a drop by trading volume 0500. Target to first target to reward to first 100 get $10. Target taker on Get Alpha with 100 USDT total buy during the event. 100 taker take a drop for the first 100 user fast coming fast service by trading volume 0.100. Reward 3 day check in get $30. Target 20 USD. Target daily to check in and telemetry 3 plus check invest during the event to share 30.00 taker pool by check in the reality by next 300 taker pool user by breaking volume 020 ability days 03. Thank you so much joining my live stream. I am fine about you. Join the Get Alpha completing and log more high view event rewards. No, event not one click join now is a locality for the system to recording your data. Slack in rows storing is limited periods 0.00.00 to 3.59.59 UTC daily countings at one check and day. Then trade How are you? I'm fine. And about you? See, only user who meet to recalibratory are eligible from rewards. Please read the event rules country file. The reward really description on the event page is only limited frequency of receiver only for the equivalent rewards volume. Please refer to the official amount and similarity of the actual distribution reality. The redemption from the event page led only to the active trading zone to the cryptocurrency displaying on the resolution page does not explicitly represent on the event represented trading player. Please visit verified to exit cryptocurrency and not country regulatory form for the event is the official any calamities. Thank you so much joining my live stream. You must click the join button now button to participate is the event and receive rewards. Reward 1 top 20 win a drop 1.00 taker during the event amount. User will trade taker is in get alpha zone with completion taker by volume 500 USDT at the top 200 by completion by volume get airdrop 1.00 taker reward 2 first 100 trade target get airdrop 1008 taker. During the event, user who target taker on get alpha with completion TV taker by volume 10 USD get airdrop 100 taker total 1.00 spot first come first serviced. Reward 3 target click into share 300.00 taker during the event daily competitive taker by volume 20 USD counting as a complete successfully click in accessibility 3 plus click into share 3.00.00 ticker with reward protocols to your click in days max reward per user 3.300 ticker. Click in roles during trading step society period 0.00.00.00323.59.59 UTC daily counting and one click in day. Reward 1, Reward 2, and Reward 3 can be applied simply currency or to participate is Get Alpha Trading. Please go to the Get Alpha section searching for taker and participate. participating in target. Disclaimer: the above token information is contributory of committing from currency. Please cannot customary service profanity. Addition: all participants must complete the information verification before they can receive rewards. Reward will be a distribution winner 40 working days after the end from the event. Sunil, thank you so much. User entering Get Alpha for the first time need to reach and complete the innovative reservation disclaimer escalating and kind the relative user agreement. The token project of Cat Alpha by have singularity risks and features. So please visit country based on a full registry of the rig. Plug register of simple account malicious fish trading, self trading and other cheating behavior as taken prohibiting multiply accounts of the sum verified user will be treated as the account. If a user participate is multiply event holding and during the period to receive from multiply event participate are not supporting a form distribution reclaims only the rewards for a single event participate are supporting. If there is any discrepancy between the transparent version and the English original, the English version shall prevail. Get receiver the solid distribution and high to proceed this event from activate and has the right of multiplied relative stream of cancel the event without period notes. This event is not related to Apple A and C. Users in the UK and other registered areas cannot use all or part of and the service included participation in this event, game or competitions. For detailed information about registered areas, please read user agreement. Please note that we do not encourage it to solid to market or market to customers in such a spreading ads. Get team July 18 2025. Get fired to crypto. Target our 3.500 cryptocurrencies selfie quickly and easily and get tag accounts now. Sync up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards. Invalid friends and earn a 14% commission. Stay kinetic. Visit Get official website. Download the Get tab descriptive. Follow us on X, Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram commission to discuss trading bond topics. Ending with our global commission from these letters inciting transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receiver. Launch pool. Click staking and practical now tokens 474.3 staking 32.838 billion. Fund receiver 5.93 billion participating 689.4k. Estimated total rewards. Candy drop. Complete task to claim a drop 152.5k. Total participate 1.52575 million. Total airdrop USD. How to join? One, select project. Select the project of you are invested in and complete university take tasks to earn medals. Complete indicative taker to the more taker task to complete, the more candles you can earn, and the better your candle changes to getting airdrop rewards will be. Wait for airdrop. Click the reward distributed status and with our airdrop. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Welcome to everyone. FAQ. What is candy drop? Thank you so much joining my live stream. Welcome to everyone. आज की स्ट्रीम बस यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं। जितना ही के टेकर के बारे में था आपको मैंने सब इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी। दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नए टॉपिक के साथ।